Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 3424. We're on our way to San Antonio. Your flight attendants this evening, Andrew is in the back, Jesus and Lamar at mid-cabin. My name is Christina. Chosen to sit in the exit rows, please read the safety information card located in the nearest seat back pocket. If you do not meet the exit seat criteria and no longer wish to assist in the event of an evacuation, please let one of us know right now so that we can reseat you. And in preparation for pushback, please ensure that your seat belts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables in the full upright locked position. All carry items, including purses, stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. This aircraft is equipped with gate-to-gate Wi-Fi. You can track the progression of the flight. We also offer free live TV along with other entertainment options. Just log on to southwest.com for access. Anything outside of our website, there's an $8 fee. We know that our departure time is at 6:45. We are holding for some connecting passengers. So as soon as they arrive and we get everyone on board along with their luggage, we'll be on our way. So we do appreciate your patience and understanding. Thank you.